All right, hello kindergarten friends, it's Mrs. McClure here, and today we're going to review that letter that we were talking about yesterday, the letter that makes the k sound. So what letter makes the k sound? That's right, the letter C. So what we're going to do is we're going to review our sound spelling card for the letter C, and then we're going to do the activity in Pearson for the sound rainforest, and that's what your assignment is for today. So first, let's look at our sound spelling card. Do you remember this card? How do we read our sound spelling cards? That's right, we say C, then the keyword, and then the sound, right? So here's our keyword, the letter, and the sound. So let's do that. We say C, caret, K. Now you review it. You say it with me. C, caret, K. And we know that the letter C makes the K sound, right? So we're going to do the sound spelling activity in Pearson. Alright, so in your Pearson, you're going to go to the sound rainforest initial sound in cat, and you're going to click it. And this is from my view, but from your view, when you go to your assignments, you will see that it says the initial sound in
sound rainforest.
And we're going to play the sound rainforest.
Drag picture words that begin with the same sound as cat into the box under the picture of the cat. Drag picture words that do not begin with the same sound as cat into the other box. Click on a picture to hear its name.
Okay, so those are the instructions, and if you're never sure what the instructions are and you're working on your own independently, you can click instructions and it will read it to you. Also, if you're not sure what words these are, you just click on the picture and it's going to read the word to you. So just like what it says, we have to click on the picture, hear the word, and then decide if it has the same initial sound as cat or if it doesn't. And we're going to move it under each column. So what I want you to do while you're at home is you're going to point to the column where you think the picture is going to go. Okay, so let's start with this picture right here.
Can.
Can. Point to the column where you think can is going to go. And I'll do the first one for you. So this is a can, and I hear the k sound in can. So the k sound in can is the same as the k sound in cat. So we're going to drag that picture there.
Can.
And it's going to go under that column. Good. Now let's do one together.
Cup.
Cup. What sound do you hear in the beginning of the word cup? Is it the same as cat or not? Point to the column where you think the cup is going to go. That's right, we're going to put it underneath this one.
Cup.
Because the word cup and cat have the same k sound in the beginning. Okay, what about this one?
Trunk.
Trunk. Say the word trunk. Do you hear the k sound in the word trunk at the beginning of the word?
Trunk.
Which column do you think it's going to go under? Go ahead and point to it. That's right, it's going to go underneath this column because trunk starts with the t sound, not the k sound.
Trunk.
Good.
Cow.
Cow. Point to the column where you think cow is going to go. That's right. If you said under the cat, you are correct because cat and cow have the same beginning sound. Good.
Cow. Camp.
Camp. Point to the column where you think camp is going to go. That's right, because camp and cat have the same beginning sound.
Camp.
They both have the k sound. What about this one?
Bread.
Bread. Say that word.
Bread.
Bread. Where is bread? Point to the column where you think bread is going to go. That's right.
Bread.
Bread and cat do not have the same sound. Bread starts with the B sound and cat starts with the K sound. So we're going to put it underneath this column. And let's do one more
Bread.
together.
Hike.
Hike. Hike. Do you hear the K sound in the beginning of the word hike? Point to the column where you think it's going to go. That's right. It's going to go underneath this one because hike and cat do not have the same beginning sound. It's not the very first sound in the word. Good.
Hike.
On your own time, your assignment is to go into your Fort Worth ISD portal, click on the Pearson, and then you are going to complete the letter C sorting activity and turn it into me. So you're going to be doing this inside of Pearson, just like you did with the letter P. Okay? Good job today, friends.